Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to the next way trading. Today in this video, let's go to increase my balance to 100. Maybe I'm gonna try to do it to $1,000 in 1 hour trading. So let's rock with this video. So what's up guys, I'm gonna share with you the settings right now. This is the strategy I tested in. I'm working on it and the way that I'm gonna use it. Trading with binary options in the broker pocket options. This is the way that I like to trade. With this turbo strategy for binary options in the way that I'm gonna show you how easy and quickly is the way to generate profits with this turbo strategy for binary options. First thing that we have to do is using the settings, we are gonna use in 3 moving average. Let's go to check it out the settings. We are gonna use in 1 EMA period 10 is this one here, color white. 1 EMA period 200 is the color green, and 1 EMA period 30 color yellow is this one here. This is the trade that I take it. We are gonna trade for 1 minute the time frame. The first rule is only we are gonna trade follow the trend. That's it. Only take the trades, follow the trend. And the second rule is we are gonna trade when the moment they cross in the white moving average and the yellow moving average, like in this example here. Touching and start going down. I'm using the stochastic on the other side to have a better vision of how to trade the trades, but the strategy is working almost the same way all the time. So let's go to change the amount that I'm gonna use to take this challenge to $1,100 to $1,000 in 1 hour of trading. This strategy is so simple, and only we are gonna trade follow the trend. What type of trend we have? Well, here we can see we can have a downtrend, and the 200 moving average is telling me you have a downtrend. Only waiting for that chose opportunities to trade for a put with this turbo strategy for binary options. This is the simple way, the simple method we are gonna trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. And I really hope so this strategy can help you to understand. Sometimes we don't know what direction we need to take the trade, or how we need to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options, or trading with binary options. We have different methods or different strategies, but I prefer the strategies are more simple to understand and to follow, and don't require too much indicators, too much analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Obviously we need to avoid the triple news or the news in this case, and trying to trade with on a stable down or uptrend. That's gonna help you to be more writable with this strategy for binary options. If you're watching the stochastic oscillator, consider it maybe going down, start going down, but we are waiting for the yellow and white moving average crossing, it start going down too, and that moment we are gonna take it for a put for 1 minute. That's it. The strategy is simple, the strategy is effective and writable. Profitable trades to generate profits. In general, start making money. I don't know, maybe $200 per day. It's gonna help you if you don't have a stronger job right now. Candlestick, we are gonna watch it in 15 seconds. 15 seconds, the candlestick. We are waiting for crossing the stochastic oscillator, start going down with the RSI, and start going down to my moving average. And we have the first one looking good. We are waiting for 2 more candlesticks to stop this trade. And we have the first trade right now for you watching this channel. The first one with $100. So increase my balance to $278 today. This is the first one with a bigger balance, okay? Only trade with this American Express OTC. Let's go to wait to market give me another chance. I'm gonna leave it with this speedy video and wish me good luck. That's it. This is the tool you are waiting for to start generating profits with binary options. With the same currency pair, in this case with OTC market with American Express, increase my balance to $100 to $600. Just having patience, waiting for those opportunities. The market's always gonna give me a new chance to take the trade, and we are waiting for maybe two more with this same currency pair. Okay, I'm watching another commodities, in this case the stocks, but no one gave me a good chance immediately to take it for. But maybe this one looking good. This is a short downtrend, and let's go to waiting for. Only we need 4 red candlesticks. We stay down the price we take at the trade for a few seconds, and we can have a writable trading session today with this strategy for binary options. I increase my balance because I was trading for a few minutes here, so I want to cut the video. But we have writable results with this turbo strategy for binary options. And if you notice, this is the first one crossing going down because never touch it, but we have a new short downtrend. We can have advantage with this. 3 seconds, boom, that's it. $1,000, guys. I promise to you, increase my balance to $1,000 in just short trading session with this strategy for binary options. And it's something really, really good actually. I like it how it looks. This is strategy in the way that I showed you right now how to trade, and I hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. I will continue recording more videos with this strategy and show you more results live. Let's go to refresh because don't change the experience. It says, I don't know. Let's go to look the latest trade that I take it today. Was really good, guys. 0 out the money. 0. 100% effective strategy? No, because sometimes we can have losses. But the most writable strategy, maybe. If you are a totally beginner, this strategy definitely can help you to start to generate profits and increase your balance with binary options. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.